Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to add a drop shadow to text in Davinci Resolve. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To add a drop shadow to text, open the Edit tab at the bottom and add your text into the timeline if you haven't already. Find your text in the timeline and click on it to select it. Now go to the Inspector tab in the top right. If you don't see this, click on where it says Inspector in the top right to open it. Within here, make sure you're in the Video tab and then the Title tab and look for the option called Drop Shadow. Make sure this is turned on with the toggle switch and then you can customize the drop shadow. For example, you can change the color, the offset, blur and opacity. That's how to add a drop shadow to text in Davinci Resolve. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.